fuck happened here? Yo, what the fuck? Is he alive? Oh, man, shut the fuck up, bro. Nah, Mr.
Thing was when y'all see me doing that sound. I was waiting for that, bro. I thought it was gonna be that bad.
Nah, bro, it was mad traffic at first, though.
The brace of matches is set. My brother's name was Tina Dollar. Stop.
Yes, sir. A single exit. Nah, bro. That shit mad thick, bro. Pause. Yeah, I just had a Philly cheesesteak sandwich. That shit was trash.
Try burger with no mayo or ketchup.
Fuck. As you guys can see, the food here ain't it. I want a refund, you know?
Shit, watered down and shit. What's that cranberry juice?
Nah, bro. I put it all with ice, bro.
That's his fault.
Damn. On today's episode of How Much Money Has Austin Spent on His Q60?
That's just Z1 Motorsport.
So, this is only Z1 also. Yo, what the fuck? So, like, this is one item. That shit says $2,489.
What's that for?
Aluminum, his intercoolers. Moving on. OEM Q60 front inner fender liner, 284, Z1 aluminum undershroud. Bruh. It's not bad. Oh man, he's in trouble. Focus. Damn, bro, you in trouble, bro. Shit. Alright guys, I'm not done. Yo.
What? Yo,
OEM Q60 headlight assembly. 2 racks. Another 2 racks, bro. For the headlights. OEM Q60 front inner fender. Okay. And you guys, all because he spent about $5K, he got himself a Z1 hoodie.
I got us both one actually.
Oh, really?
He didn't wear his today.
Surgery got one too. Nah, bro.
Most of their money.
Yeah, exactly. Nah, bro, it can't be me, bro.
I hope they give me some shit for free.
A fucking hoodie, bro. I'm still going.
That's just one page.
Bro, this is only one page. I'm not sure if I can say this. She's here, bro. $4,733.
That was like 2 years ago, bro.
Oh, that's like over like probably 13K. That parts alone.
And guess
Crazy.
what I got?
What?
A hoodie!
A hoodie!
I got a hoodie too.
You got a hoodie too? Ah, shit, man. I need a hoodie. Holy shit. Oh. He's going. BQ boy. Alright, guys, we got a BQ boy. Okay. The fuck? Yeah, but hope he has his seatbelt on, bro. God damn, this nigga hanging out. No steering, yo, no steering wheel. Okay. His tire went out. His bumper. Oh, fuck. Nah, bro, it's all good, bro. It's all good. Shit. Woo! That's what we talking about. Yes, sir. Sir, what's up, bro? 40? Bro, y'all just ran into a Subaru. Yo, these trees look hella beautiful. What the fuck? Someone has to tell me, how do I turn off this auto collision shit?
I love you, mommy. Take it up, cooking it up, boy.
Mac,
Bump. Oh my gosh, you just went over a bump. But yeah, if we're going into a driveway, right, you have to like come at an angle, so you can't go straight, or else you will destroy the front lip that you bought me. Okay, and I don't want that to happen. Oh my gosh, yo guys, I'm actually quite scared. Oh, yo, chill, she's stepping on the fucking gas. But I think normal mode is too much for you. Let me just share some ego mode. Yo, stop. No. Okay. All right, guys, just made it in the car. And let's hear that fucking V6 cold start. I'm so fucking frustrated. Like, I'm frustrated. So before anything, I'm gonna just tell you guys this. I was trying to get out of my fucking garage, right? And I usually use fucking wood. Always. It usually works. Now, as I was fucking getting this fucking car out of the garage, the wood decides to crack in half and puncture my front bumper. Yeah, you guys heard it right. It punctured it. Boom. So I think I'm gonna need a new front bumper, unless I could somehow finesse this to look good. Hold on. Sheesh. Now this is a race car. Holy shit. Yo. Now yo, this is a race car, bro. What? Huh?
Like 8-cylinder Prius.
This man's about to... Holy shit. What the fuck? He is fucking out. Yo, nah, his car could handle. Yo, he is out. Honestly, yo, I could just hear his car just go. Yo, his car is fucking hooking. Also, y'all, right? Otis is used to the track. Me, I'm not used to all these fucking... Yo, he's gone. Yo, where'd he go? Oh, I see him over there. Yo, I could hear him. He's gone. This man left me in the dust. Yo, this man has to slow down for me. Nah, supercharged, not supercharged. Yo, you guys can see it, right? You see it. That shit caught me off guard so bad. Yo, that thing scared me. What? It's insane, yo. That's not for us. That's not for us. That's not for us. Yeah, it's for them. See? Yeah, it's not for us. It's not for us. Wait, yo. Y'all, I'm not gonna hold you. I think it's time to go because yeah, go. Leave. We just ended up at a gas station. I'm just taking videos, taking pictures because this fucking lighting is fucking insane. I don't know if you guys can see it, but crazy ass lighting. Yo, I'm speechless right now, bro. Yo, what was crazy? Yo, that's wow, yo.
You know what they're gonna do? They're gonna hit me with the modifying exhaust too, but I told them modifying exhaust. So you can't fix it.
Wait.
I can't fix it.
Yo, bro, I saw that shit on the internet, bro. I thought it was fake out, bro. I was like, ain't no way a ticket that long, bro. Nah.
Oh shit. Here we go again.
This is my 2015 Lexus RCF. And as you guys can tell, I just got this shit washed. Yo, this shit was really, really dirty and murky. I woke up at 6 a.m. today. I don't know why. I guess like I KO'd. I must have KO'd super early, but I woke up hella early. I went to the gym and I had a lot of time on my hands. So I washed the car and I set the GoPro up in the back. Yo, I'm not gonna hold you. This might be my new favorite thing because yo, first of all, it makes the car look sick. Now, yes, I am bound to get pulled over eventually. Now, I don't, when that happens, I don't know what my excuse is gonna be. 5 to 8.
So with this and the seat bracket, it comes out to what? 26 plus 8?
Yeah.
That seat?
Yeah, 47 pounds.
So that's 82 pounds, and then it's 50 pounds for the rear seat. So technically, I saved off the car.
That's a lot of math
like
that I couldn't do fast enough, but yeah, bro.
I landed the shit in my trunk. So that's like 2.
I mean, if. Oh shit! Oh shit!
No,
Chill. Safety first.
Safety first.
Safety first, Kato. Safety first. Yeah, bro.
All right, Nelson. Let me know how comfortable this seat is.
I gotta test it out. Hey, yo, bro, you comfy, bro? Chill.
Yeah, how does it feel?
Hold you, bro.
What happened?
Bro, it fucking holds me, bro.
How do you say nice car in honk? Oh yeah, rev at him.
You're a bad influence.
Oh fuck it, I'll pay for the ticket. Rev.
The feeling I get whenever I drive this car, yo, it's like fucking straight crack. Straight crack, yo. It's a little something. not bad.
You hear the difference?
And we got the RCF right here.
Oh, this is good.
He said, which one would you choose? Yeah, there's no competition here, bro. Yeah, exactly. Thank you, boss. I appreciate it. I'm not going to do any. And yeah, hopefully I survive.
You cut to going.
Daily? Daily? Nah, bro. Like, you can stay on daily, bro. You can stay on daily, yo. Bro, stay on daily, bro. Yo! Nah! Fuck. Bro, this thing pulls. Yo, guys, yo. I never really truly realized how low I am. Yo, it's insane. But enough talking, yo, guys. I'm gonna have to do a cinematic shot of this spot. Because what?
Dog, this one is crazy.
So I'm gonna have my father record me testing out my PPE headers. He might get annoyed, but it's fine. What you are going to do, right, is you are simply going to hold up this camera, right? Up. That's it, okay? And as a heads up, I'm sorry.